Are you looking to a good smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started our video, we have included link in the description. So click the link, if you would like to buy this phone. A couple of days back, Honor announced its latest smartphone in its home country China, dubbed Honor X50i. As the name indicates, the phone is a successor to the Honor X40i which was launched last year. The Honor X50i is now available for purchase in the Chinese market. The base model with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage is priced at 1,399 yuan $203, while the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage model costs 1,699 yuan $245. The Honor X50i features a 6.73-inch IPS LCD panel with a punch hole cut out on the top center of the screen. The display comes with support for a Full HD Plus resolution of 2388 by 1080 pixels, a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It also supports up to 7GB of virtual RAM and is equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. In the camera department, the phone has a dual camera setup on the back that includes a 100-megapixel primary camera sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front side, there's an 8-megapixel snapper for taking selfies and video calling. The Honor X50i smartphone runs the Android 13 operating system out of the box with the company's own Magic UI 6.1 on top. It is powered by a 4,500 mAh battery that supports 35W fast charging.